The World Aquatics Championships, Thursday, 27th of July, 2023, Fukuoka, Japan. Preparing for the 100-meter final to start in 8 hours. Cameras and lenses are positioned at multiple places to shoot that one moment that will astonish the world. While some photographers operate as a team, there are many who work solo to achieve their goals, but they are never left alone. Because behind these hard-working professionals, there is another member who always has their backs to help them keep shooting. That indispensable member is NPS, Nikon Professional Services.
Hello, my name is Joel Marklund. I'm a professional sports photographer from Stockholm, Sweden. I cover big events around the world. The photography business is never an easy one. To achieve successful results, hard work is always necessary. However, if you expect to have consistent high-level work, you also need professional service from those who understand the importance of your business. Today, I'm at the World Aquatics Championships in Fukuoka, working solo, supported by NPS. They have a service depot set up here, so let's go and meet them. Back in Sweden, when I want gear inspection, I reach out to the local NPS office. They inspect your cameras and lenses, cleaning image sensors, lenses, and install the latest firmware to make your gear perfectly ready for the next assignment. It is a great relief that you can depend on NPS to take care of your gear maintenance when you have thousands of other things to think about for your business. NPS also goes outside the offices to support professionals at sports and cultural events around the world through their depots. You can ask them to take care of your gear and have everything ready for your next session of shooting. Nikon's technologies are always improving. If you have technical or operational questions, you can receive one-on-one advice and thorough explanations from knowledgeable NPS staff members. It's not always easy for us to travel far distances with lots of equipment. You can ask NPS to loan the gear you need locally when you're working abroad. Our assignments can often make us push ourselves to a limit. Accidents can sometimes be unavoidable. NPS is ready to do what it takes so that you can keep shooting. Repairs, gear loans and replacements are available to NPS members no matter where you may be working. These services are available to professional shooters of any genre, whether you shoot videos or stills. And the service is available globally. When you're working abroad and if some accident happens, you can reach out to the nearest NPS office. They're happy to help you out, even if you're not a local NPS member of that specific country or region. Personally, I've been saved from situations where I couldn't shoot several times abroad thanks to NPS. And I'm not the only one who has had such experiences. Please meet Dee and Tracy of 37 Frames, a hybrid duo shooting weddings.
We're 37 Frames and we travel the world photographing and filming beautiful celebrations and destination weddings.
NPS have helped us so many times over the years. There was once on location in Norway to photograph a couple under the northern lights and we broke a lens pre-shoot.
And thankfully NPS loaned us a lens right away. They were absolute lifesavers and helped us execute everything beautifully and professionally.
The latest gear and technology benefits us. It's important to test out new gear and find out if you really need them, which you can do as a benefit of being an NPS member. Let's hear from wildlife shooter Roy Galitz what such a service means to him.
My name is Roy Galitz. I'm a wildlife photographer who shoots in remote places around the world. As an NPS member, I'm given priority access to new products, a huge advantage as a traveling professional with no time to lose. I'm also able to test new products while in the field, giving me hands-on experience with new camera bodies and lenses, making it really helpful to make a better purchase decision.
Having NPS is like having insurance. When you need them, NPS always have your back and lets you keep shooting. NPS is truly an indispensable member of your team. Thank you. I'm ready to shoot the 100-meter freestyle final. My name is Joel Marklund, and I'm a member of NPS.